Welcome to Asharfa English.
Hello, where is the entrance?
It's straight ahead to your left.
All right, I need your help.
Sure, what are you looking for?
Where are the shopping carts?
The carts are near the door.
Where are the fresh fruits?
They're in aisle number 2.
What is aisle? In a supermarket or store, an aisle is a passage between shelves displaying products.
I want some green apples.
Green apples are on top shelf.
How much are these apples?
$3 for 1 kilogram.
Please weigh 1 kilogram. Apples.
Okay, here is your bag.
Are bananas fresh this morning?
Yes, they just arrived today.
I'll take this banana bunch.
Good choice. Very sweet bananas.
Where are the fresh vegetables?
Vegetables are in section 3.
I need carrots and tomatoes.
Both are on lower shelves.
How much are the tomatoes?
$2 per half kilogram.
I'll take 1 full kilogram.
All right, I'll weigh them now.
Do you have green spinach?
Yes, right next to lettuce.
I'll take a spinach bunch.
Okay, here you go.
Where is the dairy section?
It's back near the freezer.
I need some low-fat milk.
Blue label means low-fat milk.
I'll take 2 milk cartons.
All right, anything else needed?
Where can I find yogurt?
Yogurt is beside the milk.
I like plain yogurt only.
It's on the top shelf.
I want whole wheat bread.
That's on the middle shelf.
Do you have brown bread?
Yes, it's right beside that.
How much is this bread?
$2 for each loaf.
I'll take 1 loaf, please.
Sure, here you go.
Where are the frozen vegetables?
In aisle 7, inside freezer.
I need frozen green peas.
They're in top freezer drawer.
I'll take 1 peas packet.
Great, they're very popular here.
Do you sell frozen pizza?
Yes, beside the ice cream.
Where are the snack items?
Snacks are in aisle 6.
How much for this? Chips?
$1 with current discount.
Do you have chocolate cookies?
Yes, bottom shelf on right.
I'll take 1 cookie pack.
It's a best-selling brand.
Where can I find drinks?
Beverages are in aisle 8.
I want orange juice today.
It's in the second fridge.
Excuse me, is this fresh?
Yes, delivered early this morning.
Are there any weekly offers?
Yes, they're marked with red.
Do you sell dish soap?
Yes, it's in aisle 11.
I need lemon-scented dish soap.
That's the yellow bottle there.
Where can I find eggs?
Eggs are near the dairy section.
Are these eggs fresh today?
Yes, delivered early this morning.
Where is your meat section?
It's past the frozen foods.
Where's the fish and seafood?
That's next to the chicken.
I want frozen shrimp today.
Try this. It's on sale.
How much is this shrimp?
It's $10 per kilogram.
That's fine. I'll take one.
Good choice. Very popular item.
I want some tomato sauce.
That's beside the pasta section.
Do you have instant noodles?
Yes, they're in the corner.
I like chicken flavor noodles.
Check the yellow packet here.
How much for this packet?
Only 50 cents each today.
I'll buy 5 packets then.
Good idea. They sell fast.
How much is this cereal?
$4 for that box.
Where are tea and coffee?
All 14 near the end.
I drink green tea daily.
It's on the top shelf.
Is this one sugar-free?
Yes, it has no sugar.
Great. I'll take 2 packs.
Excellent. They're on discount too.
I need ground coffee too.
It's beside the tea section.
I want black pepper powder.
Try the small glass bottle.
How much is this bottle?
$3.50.
That's fine. I'll buy one.
Here, let me bag it.
Do you have salt too?
Yes, below the spice rack.
I like pink Himalayan salt.
Here it is, right here.
I need tissues and napkins.
They're in the hygiene section.
I prefer soft facial tissues.
Try this brand. It's soft.
Do you have reusable bags?
Yes, near the checkout area.
I want to buy one.
Here's a strong reusable one.
I'm looking for cooking oil.
Oils are in all 10.
I want sunflower oil bottle.
It's on the middle shelf.
How much for this bottle?
$6 for 1 liter.
I'll take 2 tissue boxes.
Great. Anything else for today?
No, I'm ready to check out.
Then head straight to cashier.
Can I order online too?
Yes, use our mobile app.
I'll download it right now.
That's great. Very convenient shopping.
Hello. Need a carry bag?
Yes, I need 2 bags.
Please place your items here.
Okay, all are on counter.
Do you have membership card?
Yes, here is my card.
Total is $42.
I'll pay using my phone.
Please scan the QR code.
Done. Payment is successful. Now,
Here's your bill and change.
thank you. Have a good day.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.